Should you light it first?
Yeah. I don't think it's a good idea to put it in my mouth.
While it's lit?
Yeah.
Okay, just eat it then. You have stuff floating in your mouth, though.
Oh, they're gonna drop. Oh!
Eat it. Eat it. Quit spit on the floor.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
Okay. Okay, here's the problem. I have a gag reflex. So it got to the back of my throat. And I had to gag. I'm gonna try this again. I just gotta take a different acid.
You gotta chew it up more.
That is awesome.
And then you gotta swallow it fast.
I need some water. Oh, Dr. Pepper makes it taste better.
Yeah. You know, if that's empty, you could probably throw it away.
And it's gonna smell because I got gas now. One Dr. Pepper and Marlboro Light. I'm gonna regret this tomorrow.
Chew it up good first. You're gonna be cleaning this up. I just want you to know that. There's shit coming out of your nose, man. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. That thing is huge. Oh God.
It's coming off my head.
Making me want to throw up over here. Oh God, I think I'm about to throw up myself.
That was wreck.
Alright.
That's like
Anything? Anything to say? Did you stop spitting on the floor?
mistake.